Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I'm Deanna and today we're doing a get ready with me. I'm going to be going out with my husband on our little date for our 5-year wedding anniversary. I'm going to be doing a little full face and we're also going to be picking out an outfit. Well, I mean me. So let's go ahead and get to it. Alrighty, so I've gone ahead and primed my eyes with my MAC 24 Hour Prep and Prime, and today for eyeshadow I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Snap Shadows in 1 and 2. And we're going to start off by going into 1 here, and I'm going to go into Nookie Rookie and put this all on my brow bone, and just to kind of border out the outside of my eye a little bit. So I'm so excited to be going out to dinner with my husband, and we're actually going to the same place we had dinner on our first wedding anniversary. So I think that's kind of sweet that we're kind of going back to the same place and kind of doing that. And it was really cool because they change their menu every week, which I thought was really interesting. And they have these really cool desserts at the end that are just like amazing. It's like you keep seeing them bring these little trays around with like desserts and to show the people, and I'm like, I want all of them, all of them. And there's like 1,000 flavors. Of course there is. And you just want all, literally, I just want them all. Alrighty, so the next I'm going to go into Cumin Get It, which is right here in this bottom one right here. I'm gonna put this in my crease. And also on my outer V. Yeah, so I think it's gonna be a lot of fun going back to the same place and doing that all over again and seeing what's on the menu this time as well. I'll probably still get a steak regardless because that's what I love to eat. I love steak. I love burgers. I like food. Yeah, so I have 3 outfits and I just don't know which one to wear yet. So I have a denim dress, which I'll insert somewhere right here. So I have this like denim dress with these tan shoes, these tan heels. And then I have a black dress, long sleeve. The denim dress is also long sleeve. And then I have the black dress as well, that's long sleeve. And that will be black pointed toed shoes. And then I also have a green dress that would be with black heels. Just not sure which one to wear yet. I'll probably decide last minute because that's what I do. Like, I have an idea of which one I'd like to wear. I asked my husband like which one he liked between the 3, and he obviously only picked 2. So I'm just like, there was no help. But oddly enough, he picked the 2 that I pretty much picked the one that I didn't think he would pick. I thought he was gonna pick this denim dress, but he picked the other 2, and I was like, huh. And I don't know why, but that's what he did. So I just don't know which one to wear, to be honest. Just don't know. Go ahead and put this under my lashes as well. Yeah, I'm kind of speaking softly because my husband's taking a nap. I don't know if he still is, but I don't know. He likes to nap for like 12 hours. That's sleeping, so. That's my neighbors from underneath me. Like, I don't know how they are so loud. Like, I just don't get it. Shouldn't I be the loud one since like I'm upstairs? But I guess not. They were loud the other night too, actually. Because my husband even said something. He's like, people underneath you are loud. And I don't know why they are. They just are. And then my other, like, I had these crazy neighbors. That's gonna have to be like a story time or something. But like, they're moving out. But what's kind of sucks though is like, I'm moving out. So it's like they're moving out the same time I'm moving out. Okay, and next I'm gonna take some NYX glitter glue on a concealer brush, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. Got a little bit on my lashes, but whatever. Alright, I'm just gonna pop a little bit on the inner corner. We're gonna be using the number 2 palette now, and I'm gonna be going into upper class right here. And I'm just gonna take the back side of this brush and take some and put it all over my lid. And then I'm gonna go right here into this top color, which is You There. And pop that on my inner corner. Boom. And then I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and do the inner corner first. Just kind of buff that in there. And then I'm gonna lightly go around the edges of the upper class. And then I'm going to take the same brush that was in the Come Get It, and I'm just gonna kind of tap in here lightly and just now slightly kind of overlap the crease area so that we have a nice gradient effect going. Just like that. How you like that? Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, I'm gonna be priming my face with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Primer. And today for foundation, I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty foundations, and I'm gonna be using numbers 185 and 210. And I'm gonna put them in separate spots on my hand. And I'm pretty much gonna use them to kind of like highlight contour without having to like mix the two shades together. And I'm gonna be using my Joko wool sponge today, and let's go with the darker one first and kind of put that where we want it. I don't know what all that noise is. And I'm just gonna put this kind of like at the top of my forehead. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of my What It Do setting mist and spray that on my forehead and a little bit on my sponge even. And I'm just gonna pounce this into my skin. I'm gonna take it down to my temples and just kind of work it down my forehead even. Alrighty, and then this one's getting kind of away from me now, and this is pretty much gonna go on the rest of my face. They are being so loud. And for bronzer, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Sun Stalker in Shady Biz. And we're just going to go kind of for a light contour today. And do it a little bit on the forehead. So yeah, we're going to Seasons 52. Comment below if you've ever been. I'd just like to know if you guys have ever been. Like I said, I'll probably get a steak later tonight. And for blush, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. palette. And I'm going to be using this kind of lighter hot pink up at the top. And I'm just going to use the same brush I used for contouring. I'm just lightly tapping in here because this stuff is super pigmented. But I definitely want to look like I'm blushing, so that's why I wanted something a little more pigmented than usual. And I'm just lightly taking it up my temple. And then we'll do the same thing to my other cheek. Next, I'm going to be highlighting with my Fenty Beauty Chic Freak and Girl Next Door. And I'm just going to kind of swipe into both of these. And we're going to highlight. Make sure we hit the temples, and we're going to even hit the brow bone. And then the same thing on the other side. Yes, I am still that person who uses an excessive amount of highlight, but that's what I like to do. You don't have to glow like I want to, and there's nothing wrong with that. I'm just gonna take a big fluffy brush and just go down my nose and kind of just blend the highlight some more. And for my brows, I'm going to be using my Brow MVP. This is in medium brown. And I'm just going to be kind of going for like a light brow, nothing too strong. Because I feel like my brows are already kind of standing out on their own a little bit. And then I'm going to take the brush and just lightly brush through. And I'll be back with the other eyebrow on. I'm using my Bodyography lip pencil in Pouty to overline my lips. And I'm also going to be using it as a lipstick. And I'm going to be using my Fenty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. Alrighty, so this is the completed look that I did. It's nice, natural, and kind of romantic. This is cute. And so I'm going to go ahead and straighten my hair and just kind of get it, you know, resituated before we go out. And then I'm going to try on all the little outfits for you guys. And I'm going to pick one to wear. Alrighty, so this is the first dress. Is green, looks like this, and then I've got these little black shoes on with it. It was kind of warm today, so that's kind of why I chose like the open-toed shoes. So this is this outfit. Alrighty, and this is the second dress. And then I have on these little pointed shoes. Check them out. I think they're super cute. So this is my second option, and let me go try the third one on. Alrighty, and this is the last outfit. It is like a denim dress. Pretty cute. Pretty cute. And then I've got on these like tan heels. But yeah, I don't know. I don't think I like this one that much. I don't know. Comment below which one you guys think I should wear, and we're gonna find out which one I'm gonna wear in about 4 seconds. Alrighty, and I chose the black dress with the pointed toed shoes. Comment below if this is the dress that you picked and you thought that this was the one that I was gonna wear. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.